Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Apple Watch without iPhone directly from the watch. Before we wipe this, a quick warning. If you reset the watch directly on the device without unpairing it from your phone first, activation lock will stay on. This means if you sell it, the new owner won't be able to use it because it will still ask for your Apple ID. So only use this method if you are keeping the watch, or if you can log into iCloud.com later to remove the device from your account. If you can get into your watch, here is the standard way to do it. Press the digital crown to see your apps and tap the settings gear icon. Tap general. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap reset. Tap erase all content and settings. You will be asked to enter your passcode. Once you do, scroll down and hit erase all. The watch will restart and begin the wiping process. I'm not using the passcode, that's why it won't appear for me. In case you are locked and can't remember your passcode, you can still reset it. I have covered a separate video on how to do that. So check the link in the description. And there you go. Whether you have the passcode or not, your watch is now fresh as new. Remember, if you are selling this, make sure to remove it from your iCloud account so the next person can use it. If this video was helpful, drop a like on the video. Thanks for watching.